Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Maizjok waterproof motorcycle cover. It is waterproof, snowproof, sun protection, dustproof, scratch resistant, and reflection stripes. What's cool about it is that it has a little section where you can add your lock on it, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the motorcycle.
It's a lot easier with two people. Yeah, it covers the full bike.
And this is the final product. It was super easy to put on. It is very sleek, and it also comes with a storage bag. And here on the bottom we have the area where you can add the lock to the tires to make sure that no one takes it. And yeah, check it out.